Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will be installing an oversized cup holder for the 3rd gen Tacoma. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and pull down this shift lever boot and unscrew the shift lever. So once you have that done, you're going to want to remove this part, this trim piece. And you will be doing that by opening up your glove box and gently and carefully prying this off. I found it to be easier also if you pull up your handbrake. If you pull up your handbrake, it'll allow you more room to lift this up just enough to where you can reach this bolts underneath. There's got to be this harness right here that you're going to want to disconnect. Just like that. So once you lift it up, it should look just like this. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Phillips screws holding this old cup holder in place. Let's go ahead and remove those. All right, so once you have those 6 screws removed, it should come out just like that. There it is. Now you're gonna want to remove this because this is actually gonna fit on your new one, on the oversized from AJT Design. This, we're gonna transfer it over. So we'll put this one aside and bring in the other one. So this is what it should look like once you have those screws put back in place. Now it's time to put this back on. Pretty much put it back on. Just be careful, try not to break any clips, and remember to plug in that harness right there. All right, so that's how it should look once it's all put back together. And now remember this little guy from the old cup holder? It should go right in there. Perfect. And now all you got to do is screw back on your shift knob and push this back up, and you're good to go. Enjoy your oversized cup holder from AJT Designs. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you on the next one.